In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Discord from sending email notifications. If your inbox keeps filling up with Discord updates you don't need, this quick walkthrough will help you dial things back or turn them off entirely, so you only see what matters. First, open Discord on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. They both work the same for what we're doing. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust, since these settings apply per account. Once Discord is open, head to User Settings. Look for the small gear icon next to your username, usually at the bottom left corner of the window. Clicking this opens a full menu of preferences where we can fine-tune how and when Discord reaches out to you. In the menu on the left, find and click Notifications. This page controls how you're notified across the app, but we're focusing specifically on emails, not sounds or push alerts. Scroll down until you see the Email Notifications section. This area breaks down the types of emails Discord might send you. You'll see categories like communication, social, announcements, tips, and recommendations. These cover things such as direct message reminders, friend-related updates, news about Discord features, helpful guidance, and personalized suggestions. Now simply toggle off the categories you don't want. If you prefer fewer emails, turn off the ones that aren't useful to you. If you want absolutely no Discord emails, you can switch off every option in this section. The moment you flip a switch, your choice is saved automatically. There's no separate save button to click. That means you can experiment and adjust without worrying about losing your changes. A quick note. Even if you turn off all the categories here, Discord may still send you essential account or security messages when necessary, like password resets or critical notices. Those aren't promotional and typically can't be disabled, which helps keep your account protected. When you're done, you can close the settings and continue using Discord as normal. If you ever change your mind, just come back to this page and toggle any category back on. It's a simple way to balance staying informed without cluttering your inbox. That's it. Your email notifications are now under control. Thanks for watching. And if this helped you clean up your inbox, feel free to revisit these settings anytime you want to fine-tune what you receive.